Aviator. Rusha ndege, ushinde. Wapi utatua? Uamuzi ni wako. Aviator inapatikana kupitia pmbet.co.tz.
My name is Precious Tona. I'm from Nigeria. I'm the creative director of Precious Apparel Fashion Academy, and I'm here in Tanzania, courtesy of my very good friend and sister, Anna's collection. She's a sister, my Nigerian sister right now. So we have a 5 days corset intensive masterclass where East Africa meets West Africa, and it's going to be very intensive. In fact, like, I came prepared, and I cannot wait to dish everything out to you and watch your fashion career go from a 0 to 100. So the next 5 days is going to be very intensive. I can't wait to meet all of you in class. I'm so happy. And when I say Pafa and Anna's collection, you all say upgrade is a must. Pafa and Anna's collection, upgrade is a must. Thank you.
So how did you meet with Anna?
Okay, so we connected from Instagram. And yes, I checked out her page. Anna is doing so well. She's actually a blessing in Tanzania. I like her creativity and how she wants to do more. I like what she's doing with the AFA Tanzania. I like how the students, I came here for their graduation in 2023. I like how the students' project came outside. It actually inspired most of our students in Nigeria because I did a full coverage of the graduation. So many students experience the runway and how it should look like. So I look forward to coming back here again.
You can share with us what are your excitement about working with Tanzania fashion designers?
Okay, my excitement with working with Tanzania fashion, most especially Anna's collection, is her creativity and her dedication, then her consistency. So she's creative, she's dedicated, and she's consistent. These are the three things that makes any fashion designer great. If you want to make it in the fashion world, you have to be creative. Creativity is not just it alone. You have to be consistent. It means you need to show up and show off. Then you need to be dedicated to your craft. And Anna is a very honest person.
Yeah.
Yes, she is.
Ndio.
Karibu Anna.
Asante.
Unajisikiaje kumkaribisha mgeni wako?
Okay, sisi kama AFA tunajisikia furaha kubwa sana. Mwaka jana nilienda nchini Nigeria, nilikuwa Lagos, tulipata kuongea na mkurugenzi wa PAFA. Tumeongea mambo mengi kuhusu ujuzi, kuhusu ubunifu wa mavazi. Wala watu ambao wamezunguka hapa na pengine wengine tumewaacha huko nyuma, inaonyesha kwamba wanaenda kujiajiri kibiashara. Wanatumia ujuzi huu kuweza kujipatia ajira. Lakini kuna wengine wanaajiri watu wengine. Kwa hiyo fashion ni biashara na wasichukulie hiki kitu kama kitu cha kawaida. Ni kitu kikubwa Tanzania lakini pia Afrika kwa ujumla.
Ni matokeo gani chanya ambayo unayategemea kuyaona kutokana na ujio wake?
Matokeo chanya, kwanza mabadiliko ya mindset.